Caddy time here at Unique, especially in classics. In 2005, this was Cadillac's flagship car, a luxurious high-performance sports car based on the new Corvette that came out that same year. 2005 Cadillac XLR, retractable hardtop roadster. This particular car is in light platinum finish, ebony leather interior, just the way it would have came from Cadillac in 05. 4.6 liter V8 underneath the hood, 320 horsepower. That is paired up with the 5-speed automatic with overdrive. Same transmission that would have been in the Corvette also. Was not a manual available in 05, of course, in a Cadillac. Check out the front fascia. You can see this car is in nice shape. Paint shows well. Nice luster to it, not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Find a little one here and there, but overall shows very, very nice. If you want to check out the still pictures, over 100 pictures of this car online. You can get every angle, top to bottom, underside, top side, engine bay, trunk, top up, top down. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726, riding on the 19-inch aluminum polished wheels. Those are standard on this car. I actually have the window sticker that will go along with this car in a frame. Over $76,000 new this car would have been. There's your ebony leather bucket seats. The list of standard equipment extremely long on these cars. If you read up about it, that navigation system, stereo in it, standard dual climate control, heated seats. Of course, all your goodies underneath the hood with power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. You come back here, you can see the rear parking sensors, center exhaust dump. Great looking cars. This one's easy to keep clean too in that light platinum color. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Owner's manual will be included with this car, as well as the window sticker. And again, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Before we're done here, we're going to run up the hard top on it. I'll button that all up so you can see it closed in the shape that it's in. And like I said, there's pictures of it both ways on our website. See the stereo speakers back here. It is a Bose stereo system also. This would also have heads-up display, steering wheel controls, driver's information center. Like I said, the list is long of standard features on this. Look at a copy of the window sticker. That'll be in the pictures. I'll tell you what it's going to have. Let you look up and down the driver's side here. Also pretty much free of nicks, dings, or scratches. I will show you one little touch-up area. I noticed it where a previous owner had a little scuff and ended up touching it up, and it was over on this side, just right along here. And I mean, it's nicely touched up. You can probably hardly see it in the video or the pictures, but I wanted to make you aware of that before we start this up. Check out underneath the hood. All right, give me a second. We'll fire this up. Pretty much stock exhaust and under the hood from everything that I've seen. Doesn't look like there's been any modifications. And we'll check out the exact miles. It's your dual climate control. 4 degrees warmer on the passenger side than the driver's side over here. Heated seat buttons. Of course, the navigation system and CD, DVD, all of that good stuff. Dash, great shape. Not weather checked, faded, cracked. There's your heads-up display you can see in front of me. 0 miles per hour. Alright, slip around behind here so you can hear this. Very quiet, smooth running. Sounds like you'd expect a Cadillac to sound, but remember, 320 horse coming out of this engine. It is a high-performance luxury sports car from 2005. All right, I'm going to pause this a second, pop the hood, and let's check out this engine bay. Like I've shown in my other videos, check out that hood liner. You can tell this car has not been driven in any sort of inclement weather. If it had been driven in the winter or anything like that, you're going to have salt spray dried to that, discolored. Very nice and tidy. And check out the rest of this engine bay. Also very, very clean. 4.6 liter. Variable valve timing, V8. Again, 320 horsepower, steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Smooth running car. There you go. You're looking for a fun roadster, hard top retractable for a lot less than they would have came new. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Let's take a look at the hardtop here. Of course, power retractable hardtop. Top goes up and down fine. Giving you an idea of the finish on it here. Looking good. Of course, rear glass window, rear defogger. As you can see, as nice a shape as the rest of the car, not full of nicks, scratches, dings, anything like that. See the reflection of the lights coming off of it, nice luster to it. Good condition. And like I said, goes up and down just fine under its own power. 2005 Cadillac XLR retractable hardtop convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.